I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a NAYAX account. First, you'll start by filling out the online application form. This form requires your company's legal business name, address, and contact information. You'll also need to provide your banking details, such as your bank routing number and account number, often accompanied by a voided check image. NAYAX account activation typically takes up to 10 days, so it's important to begin this process as soon as possible. Next, you'll need to gather and submit several important documents for compliance. This includes a completed W-9 form for your company and business registration documents like articles of incorporation. It's crucial that your banking information, including the account and routing numbers, exactly matches any voided checks or bank letters you provide. You will also receive emails from the compliance department requesting photos of your machines and products, which require a timely response. Once your application is approved, you will receive an email invitation to create your username and password for the NAYAX portal. This login allows you to access a secure website to manage your devices. You'll then link your NAYAX cashless kit by inputting its 16-digit serial number. Finally, you'll select a monthly service option for each device, such as the $7.95 cashless-only plan or the $9.99 remote and cashless option. With your account set up, you can now effectively monitor and manage your operations. The secure NAYAX website allows you to review your machine's status and track all sales, including both credit card and cash transactions. If you chose the remote and cashless plan, you can also manage inventory. Remember to maintain ongoing compliance by providing any necessary updates or information to NAYAX to prevent service disruptions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.